Queen player is attacking for 7 here. Connor's with an Otama. Wiper swings for 5 here. Strong 5. 6. Strong 6. Plays an ace, swings for 7 here. Very strong 7. Can either choose to take it or not take it. Alright, and we are back? Are we back? Alrighty. Alright, what is going on here? Display. Alright, let me know when that's worked for you guys. Alright, dope. That should be a lot better. Alright, so back to the game after all of that commotion. It looks like after this time skip, a few turns has passed by, and the Wiper player is having a hard time versus the Queen deck. Why am I not surprised? This Queen deck is kind of crazy. Alright, so Wiper swings for 8 here to the leader Queen. Okay, okay. Alright. Oh, they dropped the Mihawk? Yeah, this game is looking really hard right now. I think the fact that they have like a blocker, 2 life, it's just a really hard sell here. Time skip and Queen not doing Queen things. Yeah. This is only game 1 though. Hopefully we can see like a turnabout, but the way this Queen player has been piloting this deck is very skillful. Oh, they bounce back the card. They bounce back the 4-drop. Got rid of the Davey. Yeah, that's what I'm learning too. Queen goes for 6 here, gains a life. Now we wonder what else is going to occur. Yeah, I honestly think the queen player probably wins this game, just from having 3 life. Matching your board and going hard with Dawn and being behind the whole game. Yeah, I agree with that. Oh man, this board is looking crazy. It's like I look away for like all 2 seconds and bam. Yeah, I agree. Fast face deck cannot beat the infinite life deck. Hands down, 100%. Like that is hands down true. Like they're just able to dual cards. Now they're at 4 life. Oh my god, this is insane. This is probably the last turn. That's a good point, man. That's a very good point indeed. Both blue spending all the high down cards, and yellow being able to have a steam line or recovery. 15. Oh my god, and game 1 has been concluded. Now we go to game 2. The Whitebeard player decides to go second here. You have to go to your system settings or your folder inside of the OPTCG thing in the application section, if I'm not mistaken. Ace. Take twice, add it. Pressing for 6 here. Takes it. Passes. Plays 4 drop. He for 3,000 worlds it. Says hi. I'm gonna swing for 6. Let's mix. Whitebeard draws. Swings for 6. Discards a Kaya. Goes on to 6 cards. Plays a Thatch, and then has 9 cards in hand. From my isolation, it's way too complicated. Let's start this conversation. Let's start this conversation. We got no relation. Alright, Bo Hancock with a blocker. Tasha swinging for 8 here. Don's up 2. Swings for 8 here. Discards 9. Summons and other attaches and passes. Team player has 6 cards in hand. They're contemplating what to do. Three, 6, 9 Dawn. So this is 9 Dawn turn. 6 in hand on the Queen player. To the Whitebeard players. 9 to 6. 9 cards in hand. Looks like 4, 9, that's 13. 3, 6, 9. Looks like the Whitebeard player might have the upper advantage here for the time being. I don't know if they have full control of the game right now. Alright, Queen player dawns up and tries a cheap shot for 6. Repeat, tries a cheap shot for 6. Discards a 1k counter. Oh, we played a Katakuri, putting back the Thatch. I'm trying to go 8 to the Queen here. Paul Hancock defends. Plays a 9-beard. Swing for 8. This might just be the card that they need to be able to get back in the game. With not being able to be below their threshold for recovering life, we don't know how this stands currently. Play the blocker Sanji. Plays Whitebeard Pirates. Decides it has an ace to hand. Is contemplating. Swings to attach for 8. Attach gets swung for 8 to lead. Queen player is contemplating. Decides to counter out to put it to 8. Thinking about it. Counter drop to 9, 2 cards in hand. He's gonna swing for 6. Duels with Sanji. Attacks with ace 4, 7. Being able to recover life here was pretty strong. He crossfired the Katakuri and swings for 6. Towards 4. Left the Katakuri die. Swinging for 9. Takes it. Plays a Sanji from life. Swings for 9 with ace. Blocks it with the Sanji. Draws for turn. Reset the dawn. Yeah, like really good example. Me and my boy, we play test with each other with open hands, try to play around stuff, and then when we realize that like on stream that's like really toxic, like that's unfair completely, because like then that's not revealing their hand either. So it's just like, man, efficient ways to just cheat, low key. Yeah. Queen player. Bada win a boss. Let me tack, let me get a life. Don't think twice. I like blue and yellow, right? I got recovery. I got control. I'm on a roll. I got a machine gun. Clang, 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 clang. Gain a life. Swang, 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 swang. Tack for 8. Ha 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 ha. Yeah. Gains 2 life now. With a Yamato, E-drop still in existence. Plays Soga King to bounce back the catch. Really balance out the scales here. Soga King, Soga King, Soga King. Oh, so the white player gets his turn back. He's gonna attack for 7 here. So I'm gonna attach passes.
Looking for a better place, not to stay alone. Gain my trust and you chose to break it. Ask for truth, but you only fake it. Thought you said what we had was sacred. It's all lies, all lies. I was broken and nice.
Alrighty, swing here, 6, discards attach. We have 9 down open.
Turned. Didn't think I'd go this far, but here we are, the end. Now you're just a lesson.
Alright, Soga King swing for 7 here. Counters to 9.
So I can breathe again.
Plays Katakuri. Puts his back in life. A very smart play here. on the card 3 end. Queen player end. Chose the Soga King. Nine to 9 for your model. Oh, discards a 1k to defend it. And passes. Goes 10. Blocks to 11. Change for 1,000 here. No effect. I think Queen player is going all in. He shoots. He scores. Kobe. And there you have it, guys. That was the finals. Congratulations to Scott Pilgrim for his spectacular performance. Congratulations, Scott Pilgrim, yet again on your spectacular performance today. Whitebeard had 2 cards in hand. Alrighty, post-game review. How'd you feel about this matchup? Dragon 101.
I feel like the matchup is favored towards who goes first, or who goes second, I mean. I think Queen is a harder matchup for Whitebeard because it keeps stalling, playing big bodies, and just keeps removing anything you play.
Okay. Scott, you there, man? Can you unmute yourself for a sec? Scott Pilgrim, you there?
You might have Scott Pilgrim muted.
Oh, let me check. Yeah, I do. I'm so sorry about that, man.
I'm okay, I'm here.
Yeah. So, how'd you feel about this matchup here?
I mean, it's the second time I play against him, and I agree with him. The one that got second have more chances, but also I depend on drawing the 3,000 worlds because I just keep removing his attacking for 6 and keep removing his board. That was all my plan. I think I have my Yamato without attacking like 2 turns.
Okay, that's fair. So if possible, Scott Pilgrim, do you mind staying in this room? Yeah, do you mind staying in this room and sharing your deck, and then Whitebeard player who got second, do you mind going to room 2 and just standing by for an interview?
Yeah, I going to stream my camera.
Okie dokie.
I don't know. I cannot see I cannot stream the scene. I don't know why.
Alright, dope.
Okay.
Let's remove this. Alright, there we go. Alright, so let's talk about your deck real quick. So,
yes.
What's your approach to the meta, and why did you choose this approach?
I think the meta is like, well, especially in this tournament, the hardest matchup is Katakuri. That's what I have to play, like 4 copies of this and 3 copies of this. And I also removed from my previous list the 1 cost law because they were useless. So I decided to add this 3 copies of Gong Rain because it's really easy to win to have a dead hand.
And that essentially fixes the dead hands, correct? Well, the theory
yeah,
application.
And also these two, Verona and Doppler are so important. Like you have mulligan for 3,000 worlds, and if you don't see it, you can fix it with this. especially like if there's a turn like you can play some of these stuff, and the next turn you play Yamato, you can organize your top deck to get the Duels and or the boss or even the Beijis at on your life.
Okay, that makes sense. And I'm assuming the gum gums also help during the late game when like you need to stay at 4 to keep recovering.
Yes.
Okay, that makes a lot of sense. This is a very very clean list from the looks of it. Thank you for coming out today. Is there any shoutouts that you would like to give?
Thank you. Also, shout out to my friend Isaiah, who will also make it to Top Cut.
Oh, nice. Did he end up playing, or you played him in last round?
We play in the last round.
Okay, that's cool, man. Well, thank you for coming out tonight. Please send me your information so I can put you down in the system.
I already sent you. I got second on Tuesday, and I won like 12 pack.
Nice. Alright. So, yeah, I'll update your sheet. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a great night. Hopefully I see you tomorrow night.
Thanks.
No problem.